These are irrelevant. These are for the Lancer. This is the one we need. So today we're going to replace the PCV, I think it's called the PCV valve, on the Subaru. It's a bit of a pain to get to because it is underneath the intercooler. So that's going to have to come off, and we're replacing this one just because it feels like, I don't really know how to explain it. There's just a dead spot in the rev range where it feels like something isn't opening when it should be, or something's not bleeding when it should be, and it just has no power, and then it gets to about 5,000 and then it comes back on again, like the turbo comes back on again. So something to do with boost lines or the boost hose somewhere. I have no idea. I am no mechanic, but I figured it's good to replace this anyway because I don't know when it last was replaced, if it even has been. So we're going to start pulling stuff off. Hopefully I can find it, replace it. It might fix the issue, it might not, but it's more just a peace of mind thing to know that there is a new part in there. There's another problem with the whoever's done previous work on the car. I'll show you guys. So this here is the hose that goes to the PCV valve, and that just moves on there. It's not even, I don't even think it's properly sealed. So that just slips off, and there's a lot of oil sitting on that as well. With the way this car looks like it's been maintained, I really don't think I've got much left on this engine. But that is quite the amount of oil sitting on that. So it's just underneath those two hoses there. That's where our valve is, and that looks like it's got a bit of rust on it as well, so I don't know how long it's been in there, but by the look of that, I don't think it's been replaced. Come on. Oh, that hurt. Jesus Christ. Okay, it's pretty dry on this end. It's just this end where all the oil seems to be. Okay, I've got one of these little clampy things that is probably too big, but to at least go onto this end of the hose, because this looks like it's just too big. This end fits fine, that stays on nice and tight. It's just to make sure that we clamp this end down properly when we put it back on. Okay, we're gonna need some extra leverage on this thing. Little thing I love about these little shorties there, I got, pull a little grip off them, and your extender fits perfectly on there to give yourself a breaker bar of some sort. So we've got like some little crusty kind of, I don't know what, but this one doesn't seem like it's in too bad of a condition, because you want it to be loose in that middle bit. Like, that's the sound you want. That's the sound that the new one has. So they're not too bad, it's not like it's jammed. So maybe the problem could have been just that we had that leak around there. I don't know. But while it's out, we'll replace it anyway. it's idling fine. It started fine. I think all there is take it for a drive, which I still don't have a mount for this camera, so I'll probably just have to like sit it on the seat or something and see how that goes. Engine is warm, so hopefully we'll see what happens when we get on some boost. I don't know how much the camera's going to shake either, so we'll just have to see how that goes. But 3,000. Yeah, there's still that dead spot. There's still a dead spot there. So it'll go well. What the f was that? So it does well from 2.5 to 3.5. Dies from 3.5 to about 4. And then 4,000 that turbo comes back in again. But that's just one more maintenance thing done and out of the way that I don't have to worry about. And I know it's not that's causing the issue, so oh well. I got no idea what to do about this issue. Probably have to go and take it to a tuner and get him to have a look at what the numbers are doing. See where it goes from there, but until then I've got a lot more other just maintenance stuff I need to do to the car, so hopefully I'll see you guys around for those ones.